day one after my hair transplant here in Tijuana, Mexico. I did it at Russald Medical. They specialize on hair transplants. And so far, I'm very happy. So I'm still in the hotel room. You can see the background. So you can see here, I had the implants. They take it from the back of my head. I'll show it to you here. So they take it from the back and then they plug it in the front. It's a FUE technique, FUE. So it's not where they're cutting out strips of your hair, they're just plugging it out. Apparently it's less invasive and you don't have any scarring. So I'm hopeful that it will look good afterwards. I'm still swollen up here. My forehead is swollen and shiny. Normally it's not like that. So that will go back in a few days. You can see also here, you can see some scabs. So a little bit, you can see how they did the work. I can't touch it for a whole month. So for 4 weeks, I'm not allowed to touch it, not let anything touch it, no wearing caps or anything. I can't shower it either. I can just drizzle water on it with some soap and then drizzle water on it to wash off the soap. But I can't touch it, rub it, nothing. It's just drizzling water on top. I also have to moisturize these spots for the next 6 days, every 20 minutes for the first 3 days, and then every hour for the next 3 days. So the scabs fall off better, and there's no, you don't see any residue. So it's more just for, for the look of things, I guess. So far, I'm very happy. I would recommend again. The bandage comes off tonight. I had it done yesterday, so like I said, it's day one. They said it will take about 6 months to see real results, but the final results you'll see in 12 months, so in 365 days. So it's a long way to go, and I'm afraid to go on the streets right now because I look a little bit like Frankenstein. And they also put, you can see here in the front, because I have hair in the front, but they still put in some hair because I was slowly losing hair. And they also said over the years I will lose more hair. So preventive, they already plugged in some hairs. So they said, though, that 10% of all these plugs will fall out. That's just a given, no matter how good you take care of this. So about 10% will fall out. But overall, I think it will be a good result. I also take minoxidil and Propecia, that's finasteride. I've been taking that all my life. I'm now 39, so I've been taking that since I'm 20, I guess. And I have to keep on taking that, but I'm going to start taking that again. 2 weeks I'm also taking some painkillers. So it didn't really hurt the whole procedure because they numb everything. At the end of the procedure, it did hurt a little bit because the numbing was fading. But, last night I was good, and now I don't feel anything at all. I just feel a little bit of tension because of because it's swollen. But I had a headache last night, but that's all. So overall, it was very not invasive at all, just afraid to touch it, like I said. So I would highly recommend it if you're interested in this. Again, this is just day one. So I will post another video maybe in 1 year, maybe earlier, so you see the final results. So it's a long way to go until then, but I am very hopeful, and I'm just going to lock myself in my room right now.